back to our YouTube channel. This is Mama Ariana. If it's your first time, karibu sana, and thank you so much guys for stopping by. If it's your first time guys, please take a second to subscribe, turn on the notification button so that anytime we upload a new video, you will get a notification and be among the first people to view it. So guys, as you can see, I got some new hair. Please let me know if it's a yay or nay in the comment section. Okay guys, so on today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can store your vegetables, green vegetables, to last up to a month or more in the fridge without interfering with the color or the nutrition value that they have. And guys, this method is ideal for someone who cannot go to the market like anytime they need vegetables, or like personally I use it because it helps me when I'm doing calculations on how much to spend on food, and also it saves me time. Imagine if I need to cook vegetables and I have to go like I have to use 30 minutes to go and get just vegetables. So if I'm going to the supermarket to get only vegetables, like a bunch of vegetables, I'm definitely going to set my eyes on something else. I'm going to end up buying more than just vegetables. So I use this method. It helps me when I'm doing calculations, also saves me time and many more.
So first guys, depending on the type of vegetables you have, make sure you shred your vegetables, then put some salt in water. We are doing this to kill some the snails, and you're going to rub the water to mix well, then put in your vegetables. My vegetables were already shredded, so if you haven't shredded your vegetables, you have to shred them first. Then you're going to put them in the water and give them a light wash, and then you leave them for 20 minutes and then give them a wash, and then we're going to drain the water. So guys, if you don't have a sink, you can use a pail or a basin, but make sure that you wash them thoroughly with a lot of water. Also, if you have less vegetable, you can just wash them using some running water, which is actually ideal. So I'm going to do this process twice, to make sure that the vegetables are very clean, because we don't cook vegetables with too much heat or for a long time, so you really have to make sure that they are really clean. And guys, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it, for the love that you guys are showing us. We appreciate and we love you back. So guys, these are my vegetables. Actually, they are a mixture of some spinach and another type of vegetable that I quite don't know the name, but I'm just mixing them, so you can also do the same. Then guys, you're going to put some water in a cooking pot, then put our vegetables in, depending on the type of vegetable that you have. If you have some spinach or kales, it's okay, but any green vegetables is actually okay. Then guys, you're going to blanch this. Remember, we are blanching and we're not cooking, so once they boil for 1 minute, then the vegetables are done, and you should actually remove them from the hot water, then run some cold water through them to prevent or stop extra cooking, then and also to cool them. So just run them, or just run some cold water over them to cool them, and then continue with the next process. And guys, as you can see, the vegetables have not changed the color, they're still green, they've not turned to brown or some color. So that's it guys, they're still nice, and no nutritional value have been lost. Next guys, I have some freezer bags that we're going to use to store them, and here you have to name them and also label them, so you know which vegetable you put first, and to help you to practice the FIFO rule, that is first in first out. So you write the name of the item, if it's spinach or kales, and also the date. Sometimes you can go ahead and write the time, but it's okay. Then guys, you're going to cut them. so you just cut them into your desired size. Yeah, so I don't cut them very small, I always have like a medium or big size. And also guys, another thing, we blanch them first and then we cut them. This also helps in preserving the nutrients, because if you cut them and wash then blanch, the nutrients are going to be lost in the water. So just blanch them whole and then you cut whichever size you like. This is the size that I actually like, for sometimes I use them to make other dishes that require a bit bigger cuts or chops. Then guys, we're going to put them inside our freezer bags. I got this from our local shop and I'm sure they're available in all the shops like worldwide. Then just remove excess air from the polythene bags and then seal all of them nicely. And there we go guys. Yep, I've finished. It's actually very easy and quick to do. As you can see, we've labeled and we've named them. And then guys, we're going to freeze them. Yeah, so just arrange them nicely in your freezer, not refrigerating. I hope you get the difference. You're going to freeze them. So guys, these vegetables can actually last even a year, I'm sure. But the most I saw them is for like a month. Yeah guys, so that's it.
Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you guys for the support. We really appreciate it. I love you guys. Bye until next time.